How to unfollow everyone on TikTok at once. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application TikTok and make sure you are logged into your specific account. Head over to your profile at the bottom right corner. So right here you can see that you have followed 54 accounts. In order to unfollow all of them at once, what you want to do is tap on this three horizontal line at the top right corner and then head over to settings and privacy. Now scroll all the way down and move into report a problem. Now click on account and profile. Tap on editing profile and then click on others at the bottom. It will land you on this interface. Tap on no and click on need more help. Now in this section, all you want to do is enter the problem that you have been facing on TikTok. You simply need to write that please help me unfollow everyone from my TikTok account. And once you are done, tap on submit. The report will be successfully sent to the TikTok support. And within 24 hours, they will definitely unfollow everyone from your TikTok account and you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this was our tutorial video on how to unfollow everyone on TikTok at once. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.